There are burgers, juicy, cheesy, and delicious in their own right, found on nearly every street corner in America. But then, there's something different, something almost mythical: In-N-Out. In-N-Out isn't just a fast food joint, it's a West Coast icon that inspires road trips, late-night cravings, and a fierce, almost cult-like loyalty among its fans. People will drive for hours just to get their hands on a fresh double-double, and the lines, whether at the drive-thru or outside the door, are proof of its legendary status. So, what makes In-N-Out so special? It's their unwavering commitment to freshness and quality, a philosophy that's remained unchanged since 1948. Every burger is made to order, using never-frozen beef, hand-leaf lettuce, and tomatoes sliced fresh each day. The buns are baked locally and delivered daily, ensuring every bite is as perfect as the last. And then, there's the not-so-secret menu, a treasure trove for true fans. Want your burger animal style, with extra spread, grilled onions, and a tangy kick? Or maybe you're feeling bold and order a protein style, swapping the bun for crisp lettuce. Or perhaps you're up for the challenge of a 4x4. That's 4 beef patties and 4 slices of cheese, stacked high and oozing with flavor. The menu is simple, but the possibilities are endless. This sense of customization and discovery creates a unique community. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned regular, everyone has their own favorite way to order, and sharing those secret hacks is part of the fun. But at its core, the magic of In-N-Out is in the perfect balance of flavors and textures. Salty, savory beef patties are cooked to perfection, seasoned just right, and always sizzling hot. Gooey, melted American cheese drapes over the patties, while a tangy, creamy spread adds a signature zing. Crisp lettuce and juicy tomato bring freshness and crunch, making every bite a symphony of taste. All of this is nestled on a perfectly toasted golden bun that holds everything together, soft, yet sturdy enough to handle all that flavor. Today we're going to break down every element of the iconic double-double, from the beef to the bun, so you can recreate this legendary burger at home. No drive-through required, just a little know-how, and a lot of love for great food. So, let's bring the magic of In-N-Out into your own kitchen, and discover why this burger is truly worth craving. To nail the In-N-Out flavor, ingredient quality is everything. Use fresh 80/20 ground chuck for juicy, crispy-edged patties. Don't go leaner. American cheese is a must for that signature melt. Grab iceberg lettuce, ripe tomato, and a whole onion for crunch, acidity, and bite. Choose classic, soft white hamburger buns. Skip anything fancy or sweet. For the spread and seasoning, mayo, ketchup, sweet pickle relish, vinegar, sugar, yellow mustard, salt, and pepper. With these essentials, you're ready to tackle the legendary spread. The spread is the soul of the burger, creamy, tangy, and unmistakable. Mix full-fat mayo, ketchup, and drained sweet pickle relish for the base. Add a splash of white vinegar and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Whisk until smooth and let it chill for at least 30 minutes to meld. Taste and tweak as needed. It should be creamy, sweet, and tangy. This sauce defines your burger, so don't rush it. With the spread ready, it's time for the main event, the meat. In-N-Out's patties are famous for being thin, juicy, and edged with a signature crisp that's instantly recognizable. Achieving that perfect sear is all about technique and attention to detail. The secret lies in how you handle the meat, the heat of your pan, and the timing of each step. Let's break down exactly how to master this at home, so every bite delivers that crave-worthy crunch and juicy center. Start by portioning out 2-ounce balls of 80/20 ground chuck. This fat ratio is crucial. It keeps the patty moist while allowing the edges to crisp up beautifully. Be gentle when forming the balls. Overworking the meat can make your burgers tough and dense. Just loosely shape them and set aside. This step sets the foundation for a tender, flavorful patty. Next, heat a cast iron skillet or griddle over high heat until it's almost smoking. You don't need to add oil. The fat from the beef will render out and help create that golden crust. A ripping hot surface is key to getting those lacy, crispy edges that make these burgers so irresistible. Place a beef ball onto the hot skillet and immediately smash it flat with a sturdy metal spatula. Press down firmly to maximize contact with the pan. This is what creates that signature crust. Don't be shy, the thinner, the better. The sizzling sound means you're on the right track. Season the patty generously with salt and pepper right after smashing. Let it cook undisturbed for 60 to 90 seconds. You'll see the edges start to brown and turn lacy, signaling that the crust is forming. This is where patience pays off. Resist the urge to move the patty. Once the bottom is deeply brown, flip the patty with a quick, confident motion. Immediately top with a slice of American cheese, letting it melt as the other side cooks for just 30 to 45 seconds more. The cheese should be gooey and drape over the patty's edges. For that classic animal-style twist, spread a thin layer of yellow mustard on the patty before flipping. The mustard sizzles and caramelizes, adding a tangy, savory note that takes your burger to the next level. Remove the finished patty from the skillet and repeat the process for each one. Work quickly to keep the pan hot and maintain that perfect sear on every burger. The result? Patties with juicy, flavorful centers, crispy, golden brown edges and perfectly melted cheese, just like the iconic burgers you crave. Mastering this technique means every homemade burger can be a showstopper. The bun is your burger's foundation. Toast it right. After cooking patties, use the rendered beef fat in the pan. Place buns cut side down in the hot fat, pressing gently for even contact. Toast over medium-low heat until golden and crisp, about 1-2 minutes. If you want grilled onions, cook them in the same pan now. Remove buns when toasted. They should be crisp on the inside, soft outside. This step adds flavor and keeps your burger from getting soggy. When it comes to making an animal-style burger, the assembly is just as important as the ingredients themselves. To capture that iconic in-and-out experience, you'll want to follow their signature order of operations. This isn't just about stacking ingredients, it's about building layers of flavor and texture, so every bite is perfectly balanced and delicious. Begin with your toasted bottom bun, still warm from the grill. Spread a generous, even layer of your chilled, tangy animal-style sauce right onto the bun. Don't be shy with the sauce. This is what gives the burger its signature creamy, zesty kick and helps keep everything juicy. Next, lay down a few crisp pickle slices, making sure they're evenly spaced for a pop of acidity in every bite. Follow with a thick, juicy slice of ripe tomato, and then add a fresh, crunchy leaf of iceberg lettuce. These veggies add brightness and crunch, balancing out the richness of the sauce and beef. Now, carefully stack on your hot, cheese-covered beef patties. The cheese should be perfectly melted, draping over the edges of the patties, so it melds with the other layers. The heat from the patties will slightly wilt the lettuce and tomato, bringing everything together. For that true animal-style flavor, top your patties with a generous spoonful of caramelized grilled onions. If you prefer a sharper bite, you can use raw onions instead, or even a mix of both for extra depth and crunch. Before finishing, spread another layer of sauce on the inside of your toasted top bun. This extra hit of sauce ensures every mouthful is packed with flavor. Gently place the top bun over your masterpiece, pressing down just enough to hold everything together. For the authentic in-and-out touch, wrap your burger snugly in parchment paper. Let it sit for a minute or two. This brief steam helps the flavors meld and makes the burger easier to handle, just like at the restaurant. Now take a moment to admire your creation, the layers, the colors, the aroma. Then dive in for that first glorious bite and savor the perfect harmony of flavors and textures you've built from the ground up. A few final tips. Always use fresh beef, smash your patties hard and don't skimp on the sear. For extra animal-style flavor, add finely diced raw onion to your spread or deeply caramelize onions in beef fat. Your kitchen is your lab. Experiment and make it your own. The satisfaction of recreating this classic at home is unbeatable. Share your burgers, compare notes, and enjoy every bite. Fun fact, In-N-Out hides Bible verses on their wrappers, a unique touch from the Snyder family. Now go forth and conquer the burger world. Happy cooking.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.